Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can link your CSS file to your HTML file so that you can easily access all the contents of your CSS file over your HTML file. Now to do that, first simply create a CSS file. You can do this on any platform. Currently I'm using VS Code because it's very convenient. Now here you're gonna see this is my style sheet, which is style.css, and I have some parameters over here. Now to add this file to the HTML file, all you need to do is just simply go inside the head tag, and here just simply write a new line which says link. When you type over there, you're gonna see this line which will appear automatically, which says link, which says ring and relation is style sheet. And here in the href you need to type the name of your current CSS file, which currently I am having style.css. So I write style.css. You need to write it very carefully, because if you have any mistakes over there, your file will not going to be show right in on your HTML file. So once you do that and hit save changes, now your CSS file have been associated with your HTML file. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.